Hello, people. It's David once again. I'm excited for today because my mom is going to make mango float. Alright, we only have 4 ingredients. Easy and quick. Let's prepare the mangoes. Slice mangoes into small cubes. Oh, you're so quick, Mom. Okay, I have a joke for you. How do you make a mango shake? Just take it to a scary movie. Got it? The mango will shake. Or you can slice the mango thinly, just like this. Be careful not to cut your finger. Yeah, just like that. Slightly crash 3 ham crackers using spoon, potato masher, or meat tenderizer, or whatever is available. Be careful, Mom. In a bowl, pour the chilled all-purpose cream and whisk it until soft and foamy. It has to be chilled. Fantastic!
Hey, this is Joshua. I'm coming in just to tell you a mango joke. If your boyfriend isn't treating you right, let that man go. This for all the single ladies.
Alright. Now add condensed milk. My mom just added 1/2 cup because we don't want it to be too sweet. Careful with sugar. Not too sweet, guys. Now arrange the crackers at the bottom of the dish. Spread the cream mixture evenly on top. Then top it with diced mangoes. Repeat the same process 3 to 4 times. While waiting for my mom to finish the second layer, let me sing a song. Backseat Driver by Toby Mac. I don't wanna be in the backseat. No backseat driver. I don't wanna navigate the way. Would you take it over? I don't wanna never tell you nothing without you gone. I don't wanna be a backseat. No backseat driver. You take the wheel, take me where you wanna go. My heart is yours, no matter where we roll. In the backseat. You got it? Oh, we're in the last layer. So guys, here you have to be creative. You can design a flower, smiley face, or anything you can think of. Or just let the mango float on top, thus the name Mango Float. Place in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Here it is. Thaw for at least 30 minutes before slicing so that it will have an ice cream-like texture. I'm ready to eat. Voila! This is just so gorgeous. Come on! Now let's dig in! Beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like below and share with your friends and family. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Thank you for watching.